Hello, welcome back. Let's get straight to the question. Is it possible to create a website like OnlyFans under $4,000? You might say, no, it's not possible. Because you've probably seen numbers like $70,000, $100,000, or even $150,000 to create OnlyFans-style website. And yes, those numbers are real if you choose custom development. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to launch your own OnlyFans-style platform under $4,000. By the end, you'll have a complete cost breakdown and a much smarter way to build. Before we get into the numbers, let's understand why custom development is so expensive. The reason is simple, because you're building from scratch. For this, you'll need a full team, such as designers, developers, testers, and more. When you combine all that with high hourly rates, $70,000 or more becomes very realistic. But today, you don't need to build everything from scratch. Instead, you can use an OnlyFans clone script. This is a pre-built solution that already includes all core features like creator dashboards, user dashboards, admin controls, and monetization tools. Then, you just buy the script and customize it to match your brand and launch faster. Very simple, right? Now, let's break this down from a practical build and cost perspective. First, the domain name. This is your platform's identity and helps to build trust. Typically, this will cost around $60 to $100 per year. Next, a wildcard SSL certificate. This ensures your main domain and all subdomains are secured under one certificate, and this would cost around $50 to $80 per year. Then next up is hosting. It keeps your platform live, stores all content, and makes it accessible to users anytime. You can begin with providers like DigitalOcean or AWS, starting at around $50 per month, and you can scale as your platform grows. However, if you are building in the NSFW or adult niche platform, you should choose Right One. Choosing the wrong hosting provider can shut down your platform entirely. Then for live streaming features, you'll need to integrate real-time infrastructure provider like Agora or some other preferred provider. The advantage here is that pricing is usage-based. You need to pay based on minutes consumed. And then for transactions between multiple users, you can choose payment providers like CCBill, Verotel, which can handle high-risk payments. Now, let's talk about development method. Instead of building from scratch, using a solution like Fanso's OnlyFans clone script allows you to launch faster with pre-built core features. You can get started with the starter package at $699 for a quick MVP launch, while the professional package goes up to $1,499. But you can actually get started with basic components for as low as $699, giving you all the core features of an OnlyFans-style platform. All right, now let's add all of this up and see how much it actually costs to create a platform like OnlyFans. 1. Domain will cost you around $60 to $100 per year. 2. SSL certificate for security is another $50 to $80 per year. 3. Hosting comes in at roughly $50 per month. 4. For live streaming, you'll pay based on usage, so the price increases as the minutes increase. 5. Payment gateways usually don't have a setup fee. They take a percentage per transaction. And finally, 6. The biggest one. OnlyFans clone script, which ranges from $699 to $1,499 as a one-time cost. So your total is around $2,200 for the first year. Even after adding streaming and payment costs, you're still under $4,000. That's all you need to launch a fully working OnlyFans-style platform without spending too much. That's it. You can launch a fully functional OnlyFans-style platform without spending a lot and lots of money. Want to see how it works? Check the live demo in the description below. If you still have questions, drop a comment and I'll help you out. Thank you!